Looking for the best bladeless fans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 bladeless fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Dyson Air Multiplier AM07 Tower Fan. Pros: provides perfect mix of quiet operation and powerful airflow. Includes a sleep timer and a remote control for full control of the fan. Can stick magnetized remote to the metal fan for easy storage. Good performance level over time. Small footprint. Cons: expensive. Overall air movement not as powerful as blade fans. Bottom line: extremely high price, but Dyson brand name sits at the top of the market. Very interesting open design. At number 2. Lasko Wind Curve Fan. Pros: the small 13-inch by 13-inch footprint means this fan can go almost anywhere without getting in the way. The nighttime setting that dims the control display is a welcome convenience as well. Cons: some consumers complained of a clicking noise in the fan after a few uses. Bottom line: fan moves quite a bit of air with 43-inch height. Offered at a reasonable price. At number 1. Dyson Air Multiplier DP04 10 inches Desk Tabletop Fan. Pros: at 14 inches in height, it's an ideal model for small spaces, as it can operate easily from a desk, counter, or tabletop. Extremely quiet, perfect for bedrooms. Easy to operate, and has a remote and sleep timer. Cons: doesn't produce enough airflow for large rooms. Considering the size and capabilities, it's pricey. Bottom line: if you need a small fan and don't mind the higher price, this bladeless model has a lot to offer, including the quality that is synonymous with the Dyson brand. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.